My name is Munib. I make this project with the help of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In this game, two-player play game. It is very popular game. Every person familiar with rule and regulation. So can so let's start the game. When game start, during game you can reset it and game start from new and play. When one people win the game, his score increase. Player X win, so player X score increase 1. When game end, you cannot reset button, it is disabled. You can only clear score and new game. When you click clear score button, his score clear. All both players score clear and start with 0. When you click new game and game start from new and no player X win, so player X score increase and try new game. When two people playing game, sometime no people win, so game draw. So game draw, you can click new game and game start from new.